So guys, the issue I found out, as soon as I switch my fuses to the O2 sensor, the car doesn't give me this code anymore. It's coming like 104 because my car is not tuned yet, because too much flow on my engine. So what I did now, I got some fuses, and at the same time I got electronic degreaser. So I gotta change all the fuse on the car because I never did it before. So what we gotta do here, so we gotta remove this one here, this bracket, okay? Remove this one and remove this one in the back to reach the box for the fuse. It's up here, guys. This is for the G35 350Z. Okay, I have to remove this one. It's gonna be hard a little bit and put it. Okay, I know how to change this fuse for this side too. So I'm gonna remove all the blue ones, red ones, and the yellow ones. So we're gonna switch all that, and we'll start from there. So after what I gotta do now, first thing is first, disconnect the negative battery sides, just for safety. And we have the fuses here. So this is number 15. We have, how many number 15 we have here? So all of them, we're gonna be change them and put new ones. So what I did right now, I put some grease connection on the sides. I open all the fuse, and it's better to do one by one if you want to change the fuse. Like they remember what each one, what the sensor take. So we gotta start from the top one. Remove the top one and put a new one. Put it on the sides. Get a new one like that, and put some grease to get better contacts, and put the sensor back, the fuse back to this place. It's better to change them one of a while, especially this is 2004, never been done before. So let's go for the second one. Look at this one, how it's bad, guys. You see how it's bad? This is why I wanted to change them. Get the red one. Put some grease, just to have a better contact. Okay. And we go third one. Oh man, really bad, guys. Look at that. Put some grease again. So if the fuse like contact is not right, guys, this can cause you a lot of problem in the car, because there is not supposed to be. Here we go. Sorry for the video because I make this by my phone. 1 second. Oh my god. So the fuse, guys, all of them is bad. So it's better to change them, all of them, and especially do one by one and put some grease to get a better contact. If there is any corrosion on sides, you still have contacts back and the car will run better. And just do one by one. Take your time when you do the job. There we go. Do the second one again. There you go, wrist contact too. There we go. Okay, we go to the side, the second side. Start with the red. I know this is brand new. I just changed last time, but I have the sets how to change everything. Put some grease. There we go. Stop. Okay, stop.
That
Yeah. So okay guys, so I did change the fuse for the whole tank for right there, and I did change the fuse for this one too. I still have some fuse out here. Maybe I go do it from the inside the car. See, it'll have to be done. And look at that guys, all the fuses is bad. Really bad fuses guys, really bad condition of fuses. So guys, look at this fuse. The issue we have, look, is bad contacts. So if you have issue in the car, if all this fuse even is not burned, this bad contacts can cause you a lot of problem in the car. The car doesn't read properly with the injection or O2 sensor, everything. Like this what I showed you last time. I changed just the fuse from the place, and the code the speed doesn't show up anymore, and I have to turn my car.